Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is for sixth grade. This class is going to be very special because it's going to be about vocabulary. It means pronunciation. So you're going to listen and then you're going to repeat. Okay? You got it? This is very important because you listen and then you practice in your house. You need to repeat 10 times. I'm gonna say 2 times and you're gonna say 10 times. Repeat, repeat, repeat is practice. If you want to learn English, what you need to do is to practice. Okay, hold on one moment. So let's continue the class. So remember the class is vocabulary. Okay, pay attention. It's great. I mean, if you learn this. So let's go to the vocabulary class. So we're going to study units 5. You notice this? This is unit 5. And we're going to repeat. Okay, so my idea is that you check it out this. And notice this. Perhaps we can put some colors here. Let me see if it's possible to insert or to add some. Oh, here is possible. Look. So I'm gonna say this and you are going to repeat 10 times. Okay, listen and repeat. Okay, let's go. Repeat. Arrive, arrive. So you listen and then repeat one more time. Arrive. Very good. Let's go with the next. Next, it's alone. All right? Repeat. Alone. Yes, alone. Now, alone. You repeat alone, 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 alone. 10 times. Repeat. Early. Early. So repeat. Early. Repeat. Early. Good. Now, repeat. Late. Late. Good. Very good. Spectacular. Repeat. H. 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 Good. Next. Drink. Drink. Good. Next. Let's repeat. Who. Who. Now you repeat this. Let's go. Let's repeat this. Let's repeat. Need. 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 Very good. Continue. Here. Repeat. Here. Good. Very good. Very good. Here. Okay, now repeat this. This one. Repeat. Repeat. Walk. Repeat. Walk. Never pronounce L. Walk. Good. Very good. Now repeat. Breakfast. Breakfast. You don't pronounce this. Breakfast. Breakfast. Very good. Excellent. That's good. That's good. Very good. Now let's go with the other. Repeat. Lunch. Lunch. Very good. Lunch. Lunch. Good. Very good. Repeat. Dinner. Dinner. Good. That's very good. Excellent. You're doing very well. You listen and repeat. Repeat. So repeat. Kitchen. Repeat, kitchen. Kitchen. Now repeat. Thin. 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 Very good. That's spectacular. Now let's go for another. Repeat. Repeat. Week. 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 Okay, good. Very good. Spectacular. Now let's go this. Repeat. Before. 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 Yes, before. Before. Now this. After. After. Very good. Repeat. After. Good. After. Repeat. Watch. Repeat. Watch. Good. Excellent. Now let's continue. Let's continue practicing. Repeat. Food. 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 All right. Good. Worker. 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 Good. Very good. Worker. Yes. Now repeat this. Wash. 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 Oh, let's repeat this. Repeat. Take. Take. This is walk. Never pronounce L. L no. Talk. So repeat. Talk. Good. Talk. Have. Have. Repeat. Have. Good. Very good. Repeat. Do. Do. Yes, very good. Now, let's go about this. Come on, let's practice with this. Go. 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 Remember, 10 times. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Good. Let's continue with this. Understand. Repeat. Understand. Understand. Good. Very good. Repeat. Read. 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 Good. Very good. Read. Okay. Very good. Now, let's go with the other. So, let me see how are you in this. Right. Right. This. It. Repeat. It. It. Good. Very good. Very good. Repeat. Sleep. 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 Okay. Very good. Sleep. 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 Okay. Good. Very good. Now, work. Repeat. Work. Good. Work. Now, let's continue with this one. Let me color. Let's put, yeah, brown. Outside. Repeat. Outside. Outside. Very good. Outside. Repeat. Meet. Yes, meet. Good. training, training, training. Very good. Training. Yes. Now let's go. Monday. 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 Let's go with Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. 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 Very good. Wednesday. All right. This one. Thursday. 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 Very good. Friday. Friday. Very good. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Good. Spectacular. Saturday. Saturday. Good. Very good. How many? Saturday. And finally, let's go. Sunday. 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 Continue. Listen. Listen. Good. Listen. Listen. Continue. Village. 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 Good. Now this. Mountain is one option. Mountain or mountain. 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 Okay. Good. Very good. But. 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 Good. Very good. But. But. Small. Repeat this. Small. Small. This one. Why? 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 Good. Why? This one. Where? 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 Good. Very good. Finish. 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 Good. Very good. Finish. Wold. You not it. Don't repeat this. Wold. 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 Never pronounce this. Wold. Yes. Wold. Half. Half. And quarter. 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 And the last one is leave. 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 Good. Very good. Spectacular. Leave. Start. Start. Stay. Stay. Because. Because.